Hey everyone, my name is David Batana. I am one of the co-founders here at DoorLoop. I'm going to give you just a quick overview of DoorLoop and then we'll take you into the actual software to see what it looks like. Feel free to skip around the video. There's chapters at the bottom or watch it in faster playback speed, whatever you like. So to start off with, what is DoorLoop? We are a rental property management software that you could use from anywhere in the world. It's online in the cloud. And the main goal for us is ease of use that you're going to see throughout the software. We are one of the easiest platforms to use. Anyone could figure it out. If you know how to use an iPhone or Android, you know how to use DoorLoop. Okay? And you can manage any property. So residential, commercial, HOA, any mixed use portfolio, any portfolio at all can be managed with DoorLoop. And who uses DoorLoop? Landlords, owners, investors, property managers, property management companies, really anyone and everyone can use DoorLoop. We have many features. Obviously, we can't fit all of them onto our website. These are some of the core features you'll see if browsing our homepage. But if you are curious if we have a specific feature, all you have to do is contact us. You can click this green button on the bottom right of our website and also in our software, and just send us a message right through here and you'll see we usually reply within 5 minutes. So we have really great support that we take a lot of pride in. Just ask us a question, or if you're in touch with any of our account executives here, just shoot them an email. We'll be more than happy to get back to you. And it's very easy to get started. Really, within 24 hours, you can get started. That's how quick and easy it is. There is no months of training videos to watch. And just to reiterate our support, we are one of the only property management software companies that offers unlimited support by phone, email, chat, or even a video call like Zoom. We also have a great help center with easy articles, screenshots, tutorials, videos, and we give you unlimited training as much as you need. But to be honest, really, you'll need maybe 1 to 3 trainings. They're about an hour each, and you're good to go. Really, it's a very easy platform. And why use it? Help you automate, scale, grow your portfolio, and really because it's the easiest software to use. And we integrate with thousands of apps through our open API, which we will touch on in a second. Or a really great page to go to is at the very bottom of our site. Click on FAQ, and we have tons of great questions here. Anything you ever want to know, you'll find here. We are very transparent, very open, and we want you to know as much as possible before committing to a software, of course, and making sure it's the right fit for you. All right, cool. So that is the high level overview. I'm going to pass it on now to my colleague, another co-founder, Adam Mate, who's going to take you through the actual demo of the software. Enjoy. Thanks so much.
Welcome to your video demo of DoorLoop. We have some amazing features to talk about and probably not enough time to do it. So let's do a brief overview. And if you need anything else, just give us a ring, drop us a line, or go online and book a demo, and we're happy to take the time and do it. You have landed on our dashboard page. What's amazing about this dashboard is it is fully customizable. You can add in additional ones just by clicking the customizable dashboard button and drag them in. And if you don't like that, drag a different one, or drag things and move them around as you see fit to where you'd like them to be. And when you're done, you have it for your liking. You can also look at those not only on all of your properties, but on an individual property or groups of properties where you can put them together in a portfolio. Even more to the point, you can look on an individual user. So each user in the software can have their own dashboard. And these dashboards involve things such as payments received, recent tenant requests, tasks that you've assigned to yourselves, leases with outstanding balances, and a whole lot more. And what's really great about these, you can just click them and it'll take you right into the result where you want to be, where you need to be. But that's not all we offer. Trust us, we got a lot more. You need to find something quickly? Look up here. You got a little global search feature. Pretty much everything you put into DoorLoop, you can find. Whether it's a tenant, whether it's a work order, whether it's lease information, a property, just type it right there and it will appear. Pretty cool, right? You want to do thing in DoorLoop? Very easy to actually do stuff. We created one main menu for you. No more searching around through multiple menus. That's not an efficient use of your time. Just click our Create New button and look at this, a beautiful iPad-looking menu. You want to add a prospect and assign it to a leasing agent? Easy to do. Or add a new user and assign roles. You can do that too. Want to set a reminder for yourself or maybe a tenant called or texted you and wanted to put in a request. Well, you can do that through here. Of course, that tenant can also do it themselves via their customizable tenant portal, which you can have one of per property or one for your entire company. Need to add a new property or unit? Easy. Lease details? Simple. We do have also customizable rental applications. You can add fields, remove fields. We've even integrated with TransUnion so you can get full background, credit, eviction, sexual offender, criminal checks, along with their risk assessment score. Super easy to do. Send a link, email it, text it to your prospect. They'll fill it out online. You can even upcharge the application fee. When they hit submit, all of those files will automatically appear right into your portal. Super easy to use. What reporting? We've got you covered. You can run custom reports under the accounting field. Just pop right into your customizable chart of accounts. That's correct. It is fully customizable. You can change the ones we give you by default. You can add new line items. You can even rename the ones that we have here for you. Want to run a report showing you all the security deposits you're currently holding? Easy. Just type in part of the word, security, and watch the magic appear. Click, and here's your report. Of course, fully downloadable into Excel or PDF or print it. And you can, of course, narrow down the results by property and the other filters that are available. But perhaps you want more robust reports, such as a profit and loss or rent roll. Or maybe you have some accounting features you're looking for, ledgers, transactions related to accounting, or aging receivables or aging details. Or maybe you're looking for a list of your current and future tenants or previous tenants. We got you covered. Or prospects, which prospects have moved in or where are they coming to you from? Or maybe you're looking for renewal information or upcoming move-ins or move-outs, or information related to vendors or tasks or an owner directory. We have got many, many, many reports. And if we don't have it, let us know. We're happy to work on it for you. All right. A lot of stuff we can show you here to do. I think an easy way to show you how easy DoorLoop is to use is to create a property, right? Because that's what real estate's about. You've got a property. In those properties, you've got units. And in those units, you got people. So let's do a quick flow. Create new property. Suppose it's a residential, but note we do support both residential and commercial. So say in this circumstance, it's a single family home. Click next. Identify your street address. You'll notice that it will automatically start populating the information for you. From there, you can add in the information you like. How many beds, how many baths, the square footage, and of course, the market rent. And if you were renting it out by more than just the house, perhaps it was multiple rooms, you could do that with ease. Just come in here and add in the additional details and simply watch the magic appear. How easy was that? 30 seconds or less, and we created your own new property. Oh, you wanted to add in lease information and your tenant contact information? Super easy. Well, you can use the shortcut button we have here. Of course, create new lease is another easy option for you as well. Let's go with the shortcut this time. New lease, select your unit, fixed term or month to month. Easy. Choose your date range. Let's say October 1st. It's going to go for a year. We'd like to roll it over at the end. Hit next. Who are your tenants? Easy. You'll be able to select from a list of tenants or prospects, or you can add a new one on the fly. And of course, we make it easy for you to get them access to the tenant portal. Just put an email address there, and we will send out a template that you've created in our software. Super easy to do. You can add multiple tenants if you'd like. So if you have multiple people living in the same place, why not keep track of both of them? Now you can set up your rental charges. How do you charge rent? Every month, every week, every quarter? We support them all. Easy to set up. Scroll through the list. Remember, customizable. All of these are being pulled from, that's right, your chart of account. So from here, you can just pop in, choose the line item that's appropriate for you, put in the amount that you'd like to charge for rent. And if you wanted to add another charge, you could do the exact same thing. So for example, let's say we had a parking spot we were also charging for on a monthly basis. That's easy. We can throw those details in. If you wanted to grow your rent, you can do that using our other rent schedule. Want to keep track of security deposits or offer credits and concessions? We can do that for you too. Late fees? Easy. We can customize late fee structures. You can do them as fixed amounts, percentages of outstanding balances. You can add multiple late fee structures. We can even help you email your tenants automatically every time a late fee is charged. But that's not all. We can do a lot more. So let me go ahead and show it to you. Well, can you save copies of documents and files and pictures and checks with DoorLoop? Of course. And you can organize those how you like. You can store them with properties, with people, with, for example, tenants, owners, vendors, prospects. You can store documents and files related to units. You can store them related to your property. However you want to organize yourself. With expense transactions, with income transactions, we've got you covered. Click active and you'll have an option. So you forgot. Don't worry, DoorLoop anticipated it. We give you the option to add files after the fact. Look at that. Notes and files right there. Just drag and drop your information in. There for your safekeeping forever and ever. And don't worry, everything's backed up using Amazon Web Services, the best in the industry. Now let me ask you, how would you set up an application? Well, that's really easy. Let's go take a look at one of our properties that has applications set up. Well, you can go into the settings and you'll notice into rental applications, you can actually customize your rental application. So you can come in here and say, I'd like to charge an application fee of $250. And I'd also like to request that they do a TransUnion report. And look, you will actually make $202.50 off that transaction. Really, really easy. And of course, you can customize it. So you can come into the additional fields, specify what specific questions you're looking for, make it mandatory, add additional questions, as many as you like, and give them the opportunity to put a yes or no, free text, and the like. Super, super easy to do. When you generate an application, there'll be a link, text, email, however you'd like to get that link over to your prospect, and that prospect can fill out the application on their phone, on their computer, and all the information will automatically sort right back to you. So you have all of those files handy right where you need them. Right in the files, you'll have your background checks, your rental application, and all the other details. And notice you can also store notes and files there, set tasks and reminders for your prospect. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. How about, can I download my account information from my bank? Of course. Your tenants can also pay you rent right through the software. We easily set it up into accounting, go into banking. And in here, look, I've already connected a bunch of my accounts. It's as easy as putting in your username and password. No matter what bank account you've got, we got you covered. Credit card, no problem. We got those covered as well. Just click in, identify the account you've got, and look, all the transactions download. Want to review one? Easy, click it. Oh, you can match it to an existing transaction, or you can record it as a new one. Just select the property, identify what it's for, give a description where needed, how the person, for example, here paid you, any reference information, who it was received from, and easy to go. Include files. Hit save when you're done. If it's an expense, the exact same way. But Adam, can I print checks from our software? Of course you can print checks. Super easy to do. Go into print check feature, identify the bills you want to pay, and there you go. And our team will even help you set all this up for you. Very, very, very easy to do. How about setting up automated rent reminders? Can you set up automated rent reminders? Of course you can. With ease. Just go into any particular property. You can do it at your company level. Go into the settings and look, rent reminders and receipts. Click here. Easy. I want to email the tenant every time we charge rent. Done. You want to include a PDF account statement with your logo? Automate it for you. In advance of rent being sent, can I send a reminder? Of course. Choose the number of days you want. We'll send it out. We can even automate receipts from tenants paying online. We can even automatically notify you or whoever else you select that a payment's come in. And if the payment was reversed, we can do the same for you as well. Super easy to do. That's the goal with our software. Make everything easy. But don't worry. You have any questions? Unlimited support and training is included with every membership. Have questions you want to ask on the fly? Easy to do as well. You can come in here and ask us anything. And look at our general reply time. Super quick. Just like everything else in the software. Maybe you don't want to talk to a person. You just want to research yourself. Research is easy. Go into our knowledge base, type in what you're looking for, choose the result, and you will find a very easy explanation along with a beautiful video. Couldn't be easier to use DoorLoop. Did I mention that we will get all your properties, all your current units, all your current tenants, and all your current leases into the software for you? Maybe I forgot, but now you know. And we'll also train you, all of your employees, both current and future. Why? Because we want to make sure that you and they are enjoying using the software. It's what we're there for. We're here to help you. But as you've noticed, the software is very easy to use. What does that mean? Yeah, it's going to be very quick for y'all to pick up. Super, super simple. You want to schedule a demo with us and see more? We'd love to have it. Easy to do. Just go to www.doorloop.com/demo, put your information in, and we'll be happy to help you out. Hope you have a great day, and I look forward to meeting you very soon.